From a village in Spain on the final stretch of the historic Way of St. James, we manufacture high-quality forestry and marine machinery for the entire world. The journey that began in a small workshop in 1951 now extends across 5 continents. Every day, specialized professionals design and manufacture products that meet the most demanding standards, generating a positive impact in the communities where we operate. We ensure that every step reflects our strong commitment to excellence by controlling the production process from start to finish. This allows us to create wealth in a rural environment and reduce our environmental footprint. Our range of forestry machinery includes fellers, harvesters, trailers and cranes, all designed to maximize efficiency and productivity in demanding conditions. In the marine sector, our cranes offer robustness and versatility, adapting to the needs of the most challenging environments. Quality is a priority. Sustainability is the cornerstone of our philosophy, and innovation is the driving force behind our growth. Experience has taught us to be resilient and to find opportunities in every obstacle we face. We are ready to overcome the challenges of the present and the future. Will you join the adventure?